Hello, my name is Wesley Jones. I'm senior apprentice here at the Greenbrier, and I'm here to talk to you about some desserts that we have at Sam Snead's. I would say Sam Snead's desserts are like classic Greenbrier desserts. When I think of the Greenbrier desserts, I think of pretty much all desserts we have here at this restaurant. The strawberry cake is a classic for the Greenbrier. It's probably our biggest seller at the restaurant. It's just delicious. It's slices of yellow chiffon or a white cake. Then it's our house-made chantilly with fresh strawberry slices, and it's topped with even more fresh strawberries with a glaze to keep it all fresh. The sundae, probably our second biggest seller at this restaurant. It is a brownie sundae, so it has layers of brownies, vanilla ice cream, caramel sauce, and chocolate sauce. It is just everything you want in a dessert at a country club like this. The peach upside down cake is a little bit of a twist on like a traditional pineapple upside down cake that you typically see. It has that, it has raspberry ice cream and a raspberry tuile, and it is just fresh with every bite. The chocolate cake, it is a cube of chocolate cake that is served warm. It has chocolate sauce and caramel sauce with caramel covered walnuts. It's topped with a big scoop of vanilla ice cream and a chocolate tuile, and it's just crunchy, warm, makes you feel at home.